Hi everyone, this is Miss Granger. In this digital lesson, we'll go over the introduction to our Unit 2 called Race and Identity. Let's start with our statement of inquiry. And remember, as you listen to the lesson, you'll fill in the blanks and complete any activities as directed. Our statement of inquiry, or the big idea of this unit, is the following. Our personal and cultural expression in society projects our culture and individual diversity. So before we learn about what these words mean, you're going to pause and think. You'll think about what do you think this statement means. In this box here, you will rewrite the statement of inquiry in your own words. Pause the lesson and do that now. Let's go down to the keywords and practice section. Remember, you're going to fill in the blanks, draw a picture, and answer the practice question. Our first word is society, and another way to say society is community. On your paper, draw a picture that to you represents the word society. Pause and do that now. The next question you'll look at is below your picture, and it says, what is one society that you are a part of? Probably you are part of many societies or communities. Please list one. Pause and do that now. Our next word is project. Now notice I'm saying the verb way to say this word, so it's an action word, something's happening. Project, not project, the noun part, but this is the verb, to project. And when you project something, that means you're showing it. So our definition will be to show. As you can see in this little picture on the video, there is a device that is projecting an image from the device onto a flat screen. Go ahead and draw a picture that to you represents the word project. The practice question here is, what is an example of something that a teacher might project on the board? Pause and think about that now and answer the question. Our last word here is culture. We will define culture as the customs, arts, social institutions, and achievements of a particular nation, people, or other social group. Go ahead and illustrate that below the word, and then answer the question, which says, one aspect of culture is celebrations. What is one cultural event that you celebrate? Pause and do those two things now. Our IB Learner profile for this unit is reflective. When we're reflective, we give thoughtful consideration to our own learning and experience. We are able to assess and understand our strengths and limitations in order to support our development. Let's look at our inquiry questions. Remember, we'll just think about these as we go through the unit. You do not need to answer them right now. First, how does culture affect the manner in which you view the world? In other words, how have you been conditioned, in a sense, by your culture, and how does that affect your view of everything else? The second question is, why does diversity matter? Why does it matter that we are all different, and is that important? Finally, do cultural differences bring communities together or divide them? So is this a strength that we have as human beings, or is this an area for improvement? Our last section here discusses our learning objectives and our ETL skills. We're going to be focusing on keeping a journal to record reflections, analyzing complex concepts, and creating original works and ideas. Great job on this lesson. Be sure to check with your teacher if you have any other questions.